Choo choo! Hey everybody, I'm doing a little vlog here. I am on a train. Yeah.
Well, Justice.
Hi.
It goes above ground too.
Elmo in the boot.
You see Elmo? We passed him. It's in the shade here. It's nice.
Yeah. POV. It's gonna be on my Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So yeah. On a ride on a train, going a little faster. Choo, choo, choo. You're going through a tunnel, guys. I'm gonna end it here. See you guys next time in the new video. Peace. We are pulling into the station. We are back.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
hey, Kristen, how was
On the
that?
ride?
How was it?
10 out of 10. That was awesome.
You also come here. A big shout out to Justice and his crew.
Yeah, shout out to Justice.
See you in the next series.